Alright, once you've practiced changing the colors of your tessellation piece, you're ready to make your final piece. So go File, New, once you're in Photoshop, and you'll name the piece and then we're going to change to inches. Our piece will be 13 inches by 19 inches. Now, if you would like to switch it, the width and the height, you can always change it to be 19 inches by 13 inches. That will make a horizontal image. You want to change all the resolutions to 300 dpi or pixels per inch and click OK. So just as a review, change the name, change the size to 13 by 19 or 19 by 13, and change the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. Click OK. So now you have your canvas ready. You're going to want to open your tessellation piece select all, copy, and paste it. Now, something's wrong here. It's black and white. When I was just looking at it, it was green. We're going to change the color here also. So make sure that you open your layers palette and can see everything in here. You're going to go up to Layer, Layer Style, Color Overlay, change it to Screen or Overlay if you like the darker colors. Change your colors. Click OK. Paste a second piece in. Don't worry, your green one didn't go away. It's just behind. And let's change the color of this one as well. Layer Style, Color Overlay, and click OK. Now, this piece needs to be rotated so that it fits in here. The keys that I'd like you to use are Command and T. You'll need to hold them down at the same time. Command T will create a box around your piece. Hold down the Shift key when you see the arrows around the outside corner. This will allow you to place it directly where it needs to go. Hit the return key when you've finished rotating the piece. That will get rid of the dialog box or the outline around the edge. Now we have two pieces in place, but we need more. Looking in your layers palette, we'll need to compress each layer so that it keeps its color from now on. Click on the Control key on your keyboard and then on the layer that you wish to work with. Choose Rasterized Layer Style. Do the same for both layers. Now the color will stay. You can choose the blue layer, Layer 2, or the green layer, Layer 1, and copy and paste. That will give you a new piece. You can then go back to Layer, Layer Style, and add a color overlay. Choose any color you'd like. Click OK. And then you'll want to, again, rasterize the layer style. You can then copy and paste, rotate, using Command T that will allow you to transform the piece, holding down the Shift key as you're rotating, and then try to fit everything together. Now, if things don't fit perfectly, that's okay. You can always go back and move this green layer up and in a little bit so that it's not there's no empty space around the edge. So for each layer, you'll need to change the color. Layer, layer style, color overlay. If you'd like, you can experiment with some of the other layer styles. See what you can come up with and how you can fill your entire page from corner to corner with all of your tessellation pieces. Once you're finished, make sure you go File, Save As, and save that file into your server folder. Don't forget, you can always go back and rewatch any parts of this video if you're having trouble. Have a great class!